So we have come here to this abandoned place. Maybe it used to be some kind of banana plantation or something. You see a truck over there. We've been told that there's like an abandoned building over there, and we're gonna check that out today. It's pretty hot actually. Ooh, whoa, some spider already there, right there, almost my face. Oh my god. Pretty hot today. Definitely around 30 degrees Celsius. It's like, I guess like 95 Fahrenheit maybe. And stories that I've been told about this place. Some people told me that here in Taiwan there's the triad. Oh, this looks like a spider net of an orb spider. Really cool. But no orb spider inside. Those are really big spiders. The triad used to kidnap people and bring them to these places. So let's see what that's all about. You see there's some kind of spider here or something behind the leaf, ready to jump. Ooh. Okay, pretty thick vegetation. Oh my god. Wow, it's amazing. You even can still see the number 160 Yomu Street. It's amazing. And first, what I've been told is that you should always let the ghosts out first. Wow, lots of bugs here, all kinds of bugs. Amazing. 2014. Wow. February 8th. It was a Friday. Wow, what's this? It's really cool. Wow. What is this? It's like some kind of Buddhist manga. Really cool. It looks amazing. We have the little thing here. I guess this was the living room. Wow. Yeah, maybe. Oh, what is this? According to this, we have 24 degrees in here. Feels much warmer than that. Wow. It's amazing what they have here. What is this?
You want to get one?
Yeah, I definitely need a shovel. Wow. Pretty cool. What is this? Like some kind of 80s telephone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh. Oh, what's in here? Crazy. Really spooky. Let's turn on the light. Wow. Jesus, this place is so abandoned. What is this? Is this like a photo album? Oh, cassettes. Wow. I wonder what's on those. Wow. Some old cassette tapes. Wow. I wonder what is on those. Wow. Crazy. Crazy stuff. What's this? Some old book. Oh my god, I feel like I'm sinking into the floor. Wow. That's crazy. It's like a dead spider here. Wow. It's just crazy. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh, there's still water in here. Light's not working anymore. Oh wow, what's that? Wow. This is the kitchen area. Oh, look at this door. Where does that go? Does it go back outside? It's totally stuck. Oh yeah, it does. Oh my god. Ooh. Wow. Crazy. This is where they had the gas stove, or I don't know what this is. The sink over here. Guess it's not working anymore. It's crazy. It was really abandoned in a hurry. And I checked the fridge. I don't know if I want to check the fridge. I don't know if I'm ready for that. I guess this was the bathroom over here. Ugh. Wow, there's like a giant. Oh wow. Oh, giant huntsman spiders here. Ooh, wow. Wow, they're so big. Wow, see that one there? And there's one. There's like a giant cockroach in there. And giant spiders. And wow, what is that? Grasshopper. Crazy, I'm not going in there. This is where I'm not going. Is that a bat? There's a bat in there. There's just a bat hanging there. Just asleep, a bat. Wow. You see the bat? The bat is hanging there from the light.
Wow.
And so many bugs. It's like the room in Indiana Jones with all those insects. Crazy, I'm not going in there. It's like the Indiana Jones room. Oh my god. Look at that bat. Wow, okay. Crazy. What is this here? Might be still something inside. Crazy.
Ready?
Yeah, let me get away a little. You can open it and I'll be right here. Maybe there's a severed head in there, you never know. Okay, do it. Hold your breath while you're opening it.
Do you think there will be more people?
I don't know. We don't know what's inside. What's in the box? Open the box.
I need a stick.
Oh my god. Just hold your breath while you're opening it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I can't hold my breath that long. Oh, there's still food inside. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, better close it again. Jesus. Crazy, this place is crazy.
Go. I need fresh air.
There's fresh air right here. Here, you can get some motor oil. This is still motor oil inside. It's crazy. This is like full. Feels really heavy. It's crazy. Engine oil. Hello? Hello? What is this? No idea what this is for. Let's check this room here, I guess. Oh my god.
So broke.
Yeah. It's crazy. It's crazy. I feel like I'm sinking into the floor. There's like, it looks like beetle nuts on the floor. And lots of fans. Crazy. Some kind of sack. I don't know. I hope there's not a human remain under this. You never know. It's crazy. All kinds of stuff. Just so many books. And here there's like, what is this? Like Christmas lights here hanging down the ceiling. And what is this here? Like Kama Sutra. Oh my god, giant huntsman spider again. Oh my god. Lots of spiders here. And then they have like, what is this here? Some kind of game. I don't know, what is this?
Maybe it's a game.
It's some kind of game. It's like a manga here. It looks like I don't know. This is from 1992. Wow, this is like vintage. Clamp, I don't know. Something. This was a girl's room.
Okay,
it's like a romantic manga. Wow. Crazy. It's like 30 years ago. 30-year-old manga here. So vintage. Just crazy. So this was a girl's room. You have more of those mangas here. And I don't know, what's this? Oh, I feel like I'm sinking into the floor. There's so many beetle nuts here. Oh, it's crazy. What is this here? Some kind of travel book. I don't know. Crazy abandoned place here. Snail. What would be amazing to find would be like a picture album with pictures inside. That would be crazy. I don't know if you guys keep something like that. There's a snail over there just eating away on the paper. And there's like a VHS tapes over there. I don't know what those are. I feel like I'm sinking into the floor. Spontaneous English. So whoever lived here was studying English, and there's like a VHS tape here. Disney something, I don't know. Oh my god. I don't know what those are. Oh shit. Yeah, God only knows what's on this VHS tape. It's like someone recorded their favorite Chinese TV show. What is this? It's like, oh, sorry, I'm dropping everything here. Wow, more of those cassette tapes. Crazy. What are those?
Something about...
God only knows. Something about Buddha. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Wow. Toy Story. Here we have Toy Story here. So this was definitely a girl's room. We have lots of romantic mangas here. Studying English something. Maybe you can still find the handwriting. Yeah, no, it's not a notebook. It'd be no pictures, right? No family pictures anywhere. It really seems like it was abandoned in a hurry.
But you see a torch.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe it really was destroyed in a hurricane or typhoon, and then they had to leave.
Yeah.
Oh, here you see the area where the girl would sit and read her mangas, study English. Whitening cream here, cleaning gel, and it's like an old vintage watch here. Really crazy stuff. And I guess this is like a notebook. Be crazy to find some handwritten notes in here. Nothing. Oh yeah. Here. Hey. I found some notes. What is this? Is this a diary or?
Wow.
What is it? Oh wow. Someone pasted those pictures in here. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. Who made this? Wow. It's like crazy. What is this about? New York, just cut out and pasted in there. It's like some crazy art book here, I don't know.
Yeah, it seems like it's like a diary, but it was only 2 pages.
Hey, check this out.
This one is for her friend. 10 years ago, it was a boy.
There was a girl?
Yeah, a girl to a boy.
Wow, a love letter 10 years ago. Crazy. Let's put it back where it belongs. Put it back.
Did you find any album?
No, yeah, like this little thingy, but it wasn't any pictures of her or anyone who lived here.
And then it's Fei Fei.
Fei Fei used to live here. Crazy, I wonder what happened to Fei Fei. God, I'm so hot. Let me see a hornet. Let's see. Better close the door when you go. Little lucky charm hanging here. Like an old chair here. There's one more room over there. Wow, it's like green spider here. I'm so sorry, spider, but I have to get through here. It's like a tiny orb spider. Oh wow. Lots of spiders here, really. Wow, it's like it's overgrown. Like no one is. Wow, this, oh my god, there's like some dog shit here. Oh my god, I hope there's not a dog inside. Or like a wild boar or something. You never know. Wow, giant spider. Jesus. They're really afraid of the light. Wow, there's a giant huntsman spider up there. It's crazy big in the corner. Crazy. It was so big. Wow. Oh my god. This room is like so abandoned. There's some Chinese chessboard here. Crazy. Wow. I hear some wasp coming. Oh. Nothing in there, just a couple of spiders. Wow.
No bats?
No. Crazy. House 160. Like this little statue there. Okay. Well, there's a wasp on top of your head. Okay, it flew away.